Hi everybody, Andy here. Just wanted to make a short video about Jack McKeag's mentoring program. If you've been thinking about it, stop thinking and just do it. In it is a wealth of information covering just about any question you might have about getting a bulletproof trust or the debt savior program, corporate credit. It's all there. And for 77 bucks a month, it's well worth it. And why do I say that? Because it's 2 for Thursday. That's right. I got my bulletproof trust. And I owe it all to Jack and his mentoring program. So thanks, Jack. You're awesome. So like I said, if you're thinking about it, stop thinking. Don't overthink it. Just do it. You'll be glad you did. Till next time. God bless.